This video tutorial will explain how to use the SequentialFit app found on the OriginLab website. To begin, select the downloaded file, save file, and select OK. To import the app onto the project, select the downloaded file and drag it into the Origin workspace. The SequentialFit icon appears in the Apps Gallery window. This app is beneficial to use when you want to fit a curve for multiple XY datasets within one active worksheet. For example, here we have x1, y1, x2, y2, and the datasets continue within the worksheet so that we have x8, y8. With the worksheet active, select the SequentialFit app to open the dialog box. In the category drop-down box, select the type of fitted curve. In this example, I will select exponential. Under function type, I will select exponential growth. We can also input a maximum number of iterations and a tolerance number. Under parameter initialization tab, you can select initialize for each dataset, use fit values from previous dataset, or use custom values for all datasets. I will select the third choice right now, where I can edit the initial parameters. Here I can set the parameters to be fixed, I can set a lower bound and an upper bound. For this example, I will select initialize for each dataset. Under quantities, you can select which parameters and statistics you want to display in the output table. Before selecting OK, make sure that you have the Show Fitted Curve selected. This way you can easily observe your fitted curve with your data. This app creates a report table and graph of your fitted curve within the same workbook as your data. The table reports the value and the statistics for each fitted curve. For example, the adjusted R-square. The fit status here displays succeed 100, showing that the fit curve converged for all datasets. The next page displays the graph of the raw data plotted. Double-click to open the graph. Here you can edit the graph and observe all plots. The table provides a list of parameter and statistical information, as well as the plot name. So here we have the first XY dataset, concentration 1. The red line displays the fitted curve, and the scatter plot is our raw data. Select the arrow button to select the next XY data columns. For example, now we see concentration 2. I will select the arrow again. Now we observe concentration 3. Select the Go to choose what plot you want to observe. This allows for the freedom to skip plots. Here I will select concentration 8. And now we see the plot for this data set, as well as the statistical information. If I want to hide the columns in my worksheet, the SequentialFit will not plot this data set. For example, I will hide concentration 2 and concentration 4. The SequentialFit app will calculate a fitted curve for all data except for these. Here in the result table, concentration 2 and concentration 4 are not shown. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the SequentialFit app. Refer to the OriginLab website for more documentation and videos.